Hey guys, the Dividend guy coming at you with another dividend investing video. Gonna go over the portfolio performance, the individual stock analysis, and then show you how much I bought of SKT. So we're up today about $45. For the week we're down 119. Month we're down 260. 3 months we're up 204. For the year we're up 2,000 still, and for the all-time we're still up over 2,000. So that's phenomenal. Then going to the individual stocks. Altria, we lost 8 cents today. 98 shares, $4,400 of equity, $45.30 is average cost. 26% of the portfolio is an Altria stock, down $7 today, down 16 total. Not too bad. Coca-Cola, we are up on the stock today. 17 shares, $1,000 of equity, 51.10 is our average cost. 6% of the portfolio is in Coca-Cola stock. Today we're up $2. Overall, we're up $1.46. Then AT&T, we're up 19 cents. 62 shares, almost $2,400 of equity. 31.10 is our average cost. 14.34 is the portfolio percentage of AT&T. Then today we're up 11. Total we're up at 455 or 23%. AbbVie, we're up 53 cents today. 60 shares, almost $5,700 of equity. 72.22 is our average cost. 33.9% of the portfolio is in AbbVie stock. Today we're up $31. Total we're up $1,300. Tangent Factory Outlets. Ooh, this dropped. Of course it did because I bought it. So down today about 34 cents. 13 shares. 165 of equity. 13.93. So it's definitely a buy. Over $1 off. 1% of the portfolio is an SKT, down 442 for today, down 1546, which was my average cost before, which is funny. Target still taking off like a rocket. We got a dividend coming from them. 10 shares, $1,100 of equity, almost 12, 87.68 average cost. 7% of the portfolio is in Target stock. Then we have ExxonMobil, which is up 56 cents today, 29 shares, almost $2,000 of equity, 73.50 is our average cost. 10.5% of the portfolio is in ExxonMobil. $16 up today, down 378 total. Then we have Walgreens, 51.89, up about 3 cents today. Dividends being paid this month as well. We have one share, 51.89 is our equity, so we're down. 54.60 is our average cost. 0.3% of the portfolio is in Walgreens stock. Down 3 cents today, up 3 cents today, down 271. So overall, not doing too bad, guys. Again, short-term fluctuation just means that there's deals in my portfolio. And next month, when we do get paid the dividends from Target, ExxonMobil, and Walgreens, it will all be cash sitting. And then the next month after, when I get paid from Altria and Coca-Cola, I believe, even if it's just Altria, because I think Coca-Cola pays different months for the rest of the year. It doesn't stay consistent. It's kind of off on one of them. But that will reinvest into one Altria, one Coca-Cola, and then 2 SKT shares as well. So next month we won't, unless I add money to the portfolio, we won't be adding unless it's dividends, and we won't add the dividends that we get paid next month because I'm doing that as like extra cash so I can stock it up, pile it up so I can have a bigger purchase next month. So for 14710 I buy one Altria and one Coca-Cola if I can, or 2 Altria depending on Coca-Cola's price. The second month, 5, 8, 11 I buy SKT unless AbbVie and AT&T are down. And then for the third month of the year, being 3, 6, 9, 12, I'm just holding that for extra cash so I can buy more on a different month. So that's the breakdown. Honestly, the stock I'm the hungriest to buy in the watch list right now is Disney. I'm a huge fanboy, so gotta love that, right? Anyways, guys, a quick video for you today. Just wanted to run through the stocks and keep it consistent. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, if you enjoy the content, I do post Monday through Friday as consistently as I can. So remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an update. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another dividend investing video. Take care.